Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix SoFi deposit pending 2026. If your SoFi deposit is pending, try these steps to fix it. First, be patient, as deposits are sometimes still processing and can take a few hours to a few days. SoFi.com. Next, check that your linked bank account has transferred the funds correctly and that there are no pending transactions. Support.sofi.com. Additionally, a bank hold or processing delay can also cause a deposit to remain pending, especially for new accounts or large amounts. SoFi.com. If the deposit has been pending for a long time, check your account balance and available funds. Make sure your bank details are correct and verified. Review any minimum deposit limits or restrictions. Brokerchooser.com/947. Finally, if the deposit is still pending, contact SoFi support immediately so they can check the issue and resolve it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.